move back up. In this corner, we got Big K. Kevin!
Woo!
And look, they both got something on that shirt like little ducks.
The Angry Birds and the Platypus.
He has the platypus on his chest.
Bird the Platypus.
For me, Demetrius, knock them niggas out. Fight!
Take gloves. Touch gloves.
Touch gloves.
Fight.
Battle.
Kill his ass.
Y'all take it.
He's slipping, D. Y'all pressure with both hands and shit. Y'all fucking I told you good one like this. Oh, 3D. Bring the fight to him. Bring the fight to him, I'm telling you. Yeah, come here, yo. Once you see he can't keep up with you, bring the fight to him. Get up into it. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Knock his ass out.
What Demetrius said? Oh, shit. Oh, back up. Okay, man.
Come on, Kevin. Sometimes his body, not that nigga head.
Oh! Said, not that nigga head on. That's all. It's all good.
Woo! It ain't over. Y'all still got seconds left.
Yeah, I still got like.
I'm only on minute 23.
Me too.
It's a 2-minute fight, yo. Come on, keep it going. 30 seconds. Come on.
Y'all got 30 seconds left.
Y'all got shooters, Joe. It ain't no stopping.
Come on.
Oh shit.
Come on, Demetrius, he tired now, getting his ass full. Just
Hit him in the
go
face.
crazy, Demetrius, go crazy.
Don't set him up, shit.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,